Have a nice day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's topic, I would like to show to you my DJI Air 2S drone. Can you see this box? Usually, this is the box of DJI Air 2S, where usually it has two pairs of propellers. And can you see it? The propellers here are black and orange, so that is usually the color. But I managed to get a propeller or two sets of propellers with yellow in color. So that's very exciting for this DJI Air 2S drone. So we will try to assemble this DJI Air 2S. So we will unfold the wings. We'll start with the wings and press the button that has to be powered on. So we will try to assemble its propellers. And this is the remote controller. So the iPhone can usually be connected to this, and this is the one that serves as a controller for the drone when it flies. So this remote controller, I will put now the iPhone. The iPhone will be connected with a wire, and we will plug it in. So it's like the CPU now of the drone controller and the drone itself system. So now we will open the yellow propellers, which I've bought separately to Amazon. So this one are the propellers. I'm going to assemble it now. The original was black and orange, but this is yellow. So but exactly this specification of propellers are of the same capacity with the black and orange. So I will try to assemble now. So this is propeller A. So this is propeller A, and it has the same specification for the diagonal one, but the below one, the lower right, is the propeller A, and this one I'm showing is the propeller B, and it also resembles this same to the diagonal propeller. So here I would like to expand it. That one, you see the circle, that circle is the same as the diagonal one with the other propeller. So this one, you have the same specification. So in order to balance and generate the lift so that the drone will fly. So see, the same propeller also with the diagonal one, the lower right and the upper left. So they are the same. So they have the same specification and the formation of the blades. So the propeller as you can see, it has blades, and the diagonal ones are the same. So we have to arrange them well. Not necessarily important, but in this case for a nice presentation. So we will try now to enter into the DJI app. So the DJI app is also available for both Android and iPhone. So in my case, I'm using iPhone, so I'm opening now the DJI app, and in this case it is a very nice one because the connection is very fast. And now I'm putting out the joystick, so the controller, so that I can control the maneuvers of the drone easily. So that is the purpose of the joystick that the DJI manufacturing has provided, has included in the package. So now I press the button to on, on the DJI app. So see, it's starting now. So that is very nice because the blades are about to start rotating and the sensors are on. So yeah, I just have to move it. So now I'll put on the controller. So I'm trying to establish the connection between the drone and the controller. So see, just click connection, connect, and now it's ready. It's ready to fly. So see, in that case, yeah, the image is very nice. So I don't need to adjust the cinematography of the drone, of the camera. And this is the gimbal. So the gimbal has sets of holder, but this one I'm using this type of holder. So the gimbal, see, and I have to set it straight, the gimbal. And now I'm about to fly the drone so you can see how it works. So in this case, I need to start and establish a landing, or start it to go upwards. Yeah, it's like a landing position, but from landing, and it goes 1.2 meters high. So that is an auto command. See, it is so nice, and the sensors are working, as you can see it in the lights. This type of drone actually has 4 sensors, or 3 sensors in front, beneath the body, and the forward and the backward. So yeah, 3 or 4 sensors, and it's a very sensitive sensor, and it will be able to detect the barrier, and it will be able to fly and detect for safety reasons, and that is the purpose of the sensor here. But if the area is free and you can just freely fly the drone, you can make it being set to sports mode, and when it is being set to sports mode, then you don't need to have a problem with sensors, setting the sensors. Let's fly this drone outside, and till next time, we'll see each other again.